Okay guys, it's June the 10th. Let's go get us some honey. Hey guys, this is my little camper slash honey drying room. I got it about 93 degrees and 42% humidity. Got what I pulled a while ago sitting in front of a fan. I don't really need it. It's 90% capped. But, you know, I'm not going to spin it right now, so I'll just let it sit like that. Hey guys, how you doing? I pulled honey today, and it's about an hour before sunset, and hopefully the bees are at home and we won't have any visitors this evening. So let's get to slinging some honey. Okay, as far as uncapping, last year basically used this, a pin roller, because I only had like four deep frames. When you use this, you don't get no wax. I need some wax. This year I'm going to be using a knife, so let's see how that works out. Yeah, I think next year I'm going to go to 9 frames. So make sure the wax is out far enough for me to cut off. If it is, it looks so much better. Goes a lot quicker. Okay, we got it all loaded up. Let's see what we can do. Alrighty. I put this extractor I bought off Amazon on wheels. I'll have to do a review about this thing at the end of June. So far, not too bad though. We'll see how much I got, maybe 50 pounds. So I ended up with one medium super, 2 deep frames. The other ones were full, but they weren't capped yet. So I'm going to have to wait on those.